recently, and she sort of indicated towards Atmanirbhar Bharat being a bit of an impediment. How do you take that? One. Two, let's actually talk about the elephant in the room or the dragon in the room. How do we, going forward, take the challenge from China post-COVID?
First of all, let me categorically mention that Catherine Tai, the USTR, has not said that Atmanirbhar Bharat is any impediment to the US-India relationship. In fact, I think Prime Minister Modi and President Biden have elevated this relationship to never-before levels, and which made a job for both of us so much easier that, to my mind, Catherine Tai's visit and the trade policy forum that we did this time has erased a lot of baggage of the past. We've decided mutually to just close a lot of the old issues, move forward in a spirit of friendship, brotherhood, as trusted partners. And that trust comes only when you know that each other will be fair to you. For that matter, America has a Build Back Better program. India has an Atmanirbhar Bharat program. And both of us are completely aligned in the geopolitical story around the world. So therefore, we believe that economic ties will play an important role in furthering the geopolitical overall Indo-US.
This was overplayed, Mr. Goyal, that you know the Americans said that the Make in India program, which favors domestic production over imports, is a barrier. This was widely spoken about, because I'm only asking you in the context of the revival of the India-US trade policy reform. After 4 years.
Yeah, after 4 years we met for the first time.
Yes.
In fact, for many of our trade policy forums, including the last one, we are not even able to agree on an agreed text to come up with a joint statement.
There was joint statement.
This time the joint statement is so comprehensive, covers such a wide array of subjects that itself, if you read, will give you a lot of confidence that this relationship is only getting stronger. I don't know where you got this comment from, but I can assure you, the entire conversation on over 2 days was full of positivity, full of feel-good messaging, and full of a very bright future ahead for our business.
So this is the approach, Abhishek, which the Honourable Minister is taking. Then the next question, obviously, maybe you can take.